it's me, Angharad from Angharads Life, and I'm really looking forward to, in today's video, sharing with you all a simple vegan korma recipe. I really can't wait, can you, Mum?
I'm really looking forward to sharing this recipe with everybody.
It's so delicious and really easy too. Should we crack on, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Shall we start with some flatbreads?
I think that's fantastic. Yep. Shall I go and get all the ingredients out ready for the flatbreads?
Definitely. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up there.
Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
As long as I got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change.
We're now starting to cook off the vegan chicken strips that we're using. I think they're ready to chop up now.
I think so.
Perfect. We're now sweating off 2 onions in the same pan as the vegan chicken, as well as some garlic. And we've just chopped up the vegan chicken. Now adding 2 large heaped teaspoons of curry powder. Oh, it's smelling amazing.
It really is.
I love the smell of curry powder.
Such a lovely smell.
It really is. Now it's time to add the can of coconut milk. Oh my gosh, it smells so good now.
It does. You can add more curry powder if you want to.
We've just added some more curry powder and a teaspoon of turmeric. Adding more curry powder to your taste. Now adding a tablespoon of ground almonds. You can use almond extract if you like. And sugar to taste. Adding salt to taste. Time to now leave it bubble away.
Now time to taste it. If it's too bitter, add some more sugar. Too sweet, more salt.
I'll try that, man. To me, that tastes perfect. Lovely heat at the end too with the curry powder.
Tastes really good.
It really does. Can't wait now, can you?
Really looking forward to this.
Now it's time to put it to a low simmer to then be able to add the chicken bits. Also adding some sultanas and apricots if you like. About a tablespoon of each. You can also add desiccated coconut if you like. Here are the sultanas and the apricots going in now. Oh, really going for this now.
Really looking forward to this.
Hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow.
Now adding half a can of water. Now time to leave it on a low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring it regularly. We've just added a tin of tomatoes. Adding any more curry powder to taste.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together.
While it's on the low heat, choose cook on flatbreads, man.
I think that's a great idea.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks.
Ready to be dished up now at any point.
You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do.
Oh my gosh, it's absolutely incredible. So lovely, so quick, and so easy too.
So you're going to enjoy it with the flatbreads?
Yes, please. Oh my gosh, that korma was so delicious. And we really hope that you all enjoyed the recipe too. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know what curries you enjoy.
That's a great question, because even though this was a korma, we still spiced it up for Dad and for us as well, didn't we?
We did. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care. And bye from Sarah too.